Hello, good morning. So, yung masabi natin dun kay I remain I remain enchanted by Juan and Sisi. And even though may looks like more like that, still dun tayo sa may experience na sa buhay ba. Yung isa ay mayroong restaurant. Pero si Joanna Sisi, marunong magluto. Magkaiba yun. At very promising si Alain. But Joanna Sisi had already proven it because of the age of her son. So, hindi basta mapapalaki yun ng maayos kung hindi life proven ang approach ni Joanna Sisi. Anyway, siguro yan na lang. Joanna Sisi.